Hello everyone, once again myself Ashish Jain in front of you in a very interesting topic of classification of accounts, recording of transaction, chapter 3, 11th class accounts. So today we will discuss what are the classification of accounts. This is a very important topic and students need to study a lot to which accounts comes under which points. So the main it is the accounts can be classified into two main points: the personal accounts and the impersonal account. Okay, so the personal accounts are of again two types: natural personal account, artificial personal account, and third it will be the representative personal account. The impersonal accounts again divided into 2 points: real account and nominal account. The real account again divided into two: tangible real account and intangible real accounts. So now I will explain what are these. The personal account. So personal means the natural person, means human being, such as Ram, Mohan, John. These are the personal accounts, and the natural personal accounts also. These. And artificial personal accounts such as the Bank of India account, Janata Dal account, sports club account, debtors account, creditors accounts, capital account, the drawing account, they are the artificial person. And representative personal accounts represent a particular person and a group of persons, such as outstanding wages account, prepaid expense account, accrued account, are known as the representative personal accounts. Now hope so you understand these all: personal account, artificial account and representative personal account. The next type of account comes the impersonal accounts. So the impersonal accounts are those which are not personal accounts, are termed as impersonal account. The account may be related to assets, loss, expense, gain, profit. They are again divided into two types: real account and nominal account. And the real accounts again of two types: tangible accounts and intangible account. The tangible accounts is related to a property. For example, cash account, building account, plant account, furniture account, goods account, machine account, etc. are real tangible accounts. And intangible real accounts, these real accounts are intangible, which they do not have any physical construction, shape and size. They can be neither been touched or seen. Example, goodwill account, trademark account, patent accounts are known as the intangible real accounts. So hope so these all you understand. They are very easy. And last is the nominal account. The nominal account is just a reverse to the real account. Real account generally have extents, but nominal do not have any extents. For example, wages account, salary account, interest account, discount account, advertisement account. Nominal account are also known as the revenue expense account because they deal with revenue and expenditures. These accounts do not have any opening or closing balance. So hope so these all classification of accounts you may be understand. They are very easy and I have made them explain them in a very short and sweet language. So please like and subscribe it. Thank you once again.